Hi everyone, Nafi this side. So I have been given a project for the Node.js. I need to create an e-commerce API from Coding Ninja. The project is from the Coding Ninja, and so what I need to do is I need to create different APIs. First, to create the like this is basically e-commerce API. To create an item into the database, product create should be sent using the post method, and there are many different other methods. I'll start with the create method. So what I will do is I'll uh, like basically inside create I need to send the values also, like what I need to create. So first of all, the name entry should be there. Like for example, I want to create an item name iPhone, and the quantity I need to add is for example 25 quantities I'm adding. So what I will do is now this has been the complete URL, and this is the post method. When I will click on send, you can see the response. The product, this name, iPhone, quantity 25, product successfully created. So this is how we can create the project. Create the product. And coming back to the second API, which is the like API to list the product, list all the products I need to. So get method using products. So what I will do is, so this is an API. I will run this API and send it. When I will do this, I'll get the result that this is an iPhone, quantity 25, like all the list of the products, whatever there are in the database. So coming next, we have API to delete the product. For example, I want to delete. Let's create one more API for one more product. For example, this time instead of iPhone, I'll create laptops, and quantity let's take 10. Now if I run for this products, now I have two different quantities. For example, I want to delete one, right? For example, I want to delete this laptop one. I'll copy this ID. I'll what I will do is, okay, let's create from here only. I will do is I'll go to delete. I'll so what should be the URL, the products and the ID. The products, I have given the products, and then I need to give the ID. So how I need to give the ID is basically to give them ID, I just need to enter this in such a way that it should be able to get the data into the queries. So to get the data into the queries, what we do is we put this question mark, and then we put uh, ID equals to, then I'll put the value. Okay. Now when I will press enter, now you can see the response product deleted. So for example, if I want to see the products, like what were the product are now left over. So I'll still again run this command. See, now the laptops have been deleted. So for example, I want to update. Now the next command is to update. Now to update, there are two different things. First one is query params, and another one is the query, right? One is the params, another one is the query. So what I need to give the command in such a way that send this URL, hit the API in such a way that I should get this updated. So what I will do is, so I have this. Okay. So for example, this is the ID I will copy, and I want to update. So I'll put the update product ID. Uh, okay, this should be the post, right? This is the post, and product ID. For example, product create name. Okay, let's create new one only. Post and product ID. Products, then it's an ID, then it's update quantity, then we have query params. Sorry, it is number. Now for example it's 25, I want to make it 35, then I'll just put it in this way, and I'll just send it. Now it will say, uh, sorry, Okay, I have just added a different thing. Instead of update quantity, I just spelling mistake. Now I'll send it. So product updated. So when I will again list these products, I'll see the quantity has been 35 now. So this is how the result was product updated, and this is how now the quantity is. This is my project, and this is an API for this. I have hosted this onto a remote system, and this is accessible using the IP.